In Argentina, social movements continue to gather in Plaza de Mayo for the second consecutive day to call for a presidential pardon for Milagro Sala. The indigenous activist was sentenced to 13 years in prison by the Jujuy court, ruling that was ratified by the Supreme Court. From Buenos Aires, our correspondent Carolina Silvestre with all the details.
The demand of various groups in the South American country is due to the unjust deprivation of liberty of the maximum leader of the Tupac Amaru force.
There is a problem that goes through all of this, which is institutional insecurity, which is a permanent violation of human rights, and the IACHR itself has declared a violation of human rights in the case of Jujuy. So the president has all the power to intervene, and if he does not do it, it's because he does not have the strength to do it, or because he has a different agenda.
The request for a presidential pardon has the support of human rights organizations, national lawmakers, different political forces, and social movements.
There is jurisprudence, such as the Vecchi case of 2002, signed by Banossi. Today, he is legal advisor to the president. In the case of jurisprudence of the autonomous city of Buenos Aires, dealt with as if it were a province, a pardon is granted in the Vecchi case.
For Nelida Rojas, leader of Tupac Amaru in the province of Mendoza, who also faced harassment and prison, there is an urgent need to put an end to lawfare.
One day after the corrupt court that exists here in Argentina, after the conviction of our colleagues, the Jujuy authorities approved the expropriation of the things our partners built and that each one of us knows about their struggle. And we have seen how they have done those works with so much sacrifice and so much love.
For the protesters, the solution will only be found through politics.
We're waiting to see what stance the president takes. Whether he will take the position of this side, the one of democracy, of the electoral contract that brought him to the government, of facing up to persecution and lawfare, or whether he will choose the position of those who persecuted us in 2016 and those who are keeping Milagro under arrest, because neutrality does not exist. By doing nothing, the only thing he does is empowering the powerful so that they can continue robbing Argentina, causing hunger to our population, and also strengthens the position of the lawfare structure that is still intact. And if he does nothing, he will continue to persecute us.
In addition to the above, Milagro Sala is in a serious state of health due to the phlebitis, which is why her doctors are calling for her immediate transfer to a highly complex clinic in Jujuy.
Carolina Silvestre, TeleSUR, Buenos Aires.